Fit your truck. Fit your budget. Fittipaldi Off Road.
All right, let's get down to it where the wheels meet the rubber.
If you wanted to keep status quo, you'd keep your stock wheels. And to that we say, boo. You want your ride to look tough, mean, ready to tackle anything.
Quite frankly, you want to drive over the world
And look good doing it. Let me introduce you to Fittipaldi Off Road. Turn heads, define arms. So, get ready to off-road the world. Get out there and take the road not traveled. Fit your truck, fit your budget. Fittipaldi Off Road. Turn heads, define norms. Fittipaldi Off Road, available now at ShopCWO.com. ShopCWO.com. Custom Wheel Outlet.
Custom Wheel Outlet.